sometimes you have to use what you got. I was asked, man, why are you not in a shop, or do you have a shop? Now, well, I rent shop space when I have big things to do, but if I don't, there's no reason for me to have that overhead because I'm a field installer welder, so I pretty much come equipped. But when I have to do big things, I rent office space or warehouse space to do a job. But I'm outside right now in this Phoenix. The weather's nice, and when I have downtime, that's when I utilize my time to make products and come up with different things. Because why wait till everything is perfect and then work on it? If I can work on it right now when things are not perfect, when I'm going through the motions of building the business and getting things established, I don't have to have everything completely lined out perfect for me to come up with a good product or come up with a good service. Sometimes we just have to use what we have, utilize everything we have, the space, the time, the little piece of money, the relationships, because everything, if you utilize it correctly, it'll get you to the next level. But if you always complaining on, I need this or I need that, or if this could happen, then I could do this. If so and so open this door, then I can actually do something. Sometimes you just got to figure it out, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, there's no successful blueprint. You just have to use everybody's knowledge, that the people that you respect, and you put it together and you form your own conclusion. You come up with your own blueprint, your own strategy to succeed. But you got to get out the mindset of thinking that everything got to be right first. Just start, man. Just start where you at. Regardless of what the situation is, whatever you have, use what you got. And as you do better, you make the business do better. You buy things for the business. You make sure that it's prospering, that it's looking good. But you have to start somewhere. So don't worry about getting everything perfect when you starting out. Just start. Hog on.